Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. Today I am doing a follow-up video to the last video I posted. You might have watched the Kokorosa studio haul that I did in my last video. I'll leave a link down below and up above. Now this is the project share video with what I did with these lovely products that they sent me. Quick recap, they sent me all sorts of paper. 2 different sizes of paper. They sent me a very interesting stencil and this stamp set. So that's what I almost exclusively use to show you in this project share. So this is my junk journal that I made a couple of months ago. It is made out of 100% junk. It is made out of a cereal box, and then I used all sorts of scrap paper, and the purpose of this journal was just to play in, just to write down my thoughts, just to collage and use mixed media. Really, that is the whole structure of this junk journal. I'll just do a really quick flip through of some of the pages that I decorated. This one has some text in here I don't want anybody to read. It's personal, but that's that page. And then just some other pages that I've been decorating. I'm a big tea drinker, and I like to reminisce about teas that I drink and write little notes. So with the Kokorosa products, I thought I'd make some tags for this journal. So this is the first tag I made using their lovely papers and their stamps. And again, this tag is just made out of junk, an old greeting card that I had that I cut apart. So that is the first tag, and I put it in this little pocket here. I've been into drawing these birds with watercolors lately. And then I did a little spread right here talking about a movie I recently watched. I was experimenting with their stencils over here and using their lovely 6x6 papers over here. And then I did this spread. This was on a piece of watercolor paper. It's just the 3 stamps and the words, the sentiment, and I painted that in with watercolors. And then I did this page right here using their beautiful paper. I don't know if you can see, but this area right here is stenciled with some mixed media paste, some white mixed media paste. And I think that is about it. I did another journaling card, also using the stamps and the paper. Again, I used a piece of junk that I had laying around, a junk cardboard, and I'll just put that in this pocket right here. So that's just a really quick flip through of the products. I try to strictly use the products they sent me for this little exercise, but this is a quick flip through of my journal. I used all sorts of pages to include magazine pages, old planner pages, old catalog pages, little pockets here. This is one signature sewed in, and then it goes on and on and on. So this is just a fun way to decorate and have play in a journal with a lot of blank pages, just to create on, and really no rules. This is the back cover of the journal. And I used the covering, I used an old map of New York City. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through of what I've been doing lately with my journaling. If you're interested in purchasing from Kokorosa, my code is Lisa25, will get you 25% off your order. So if you haven't already joined my YouTube family, I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button and give me a like. I'm going to be doing more planner type, junk journal type videos on the channel. I vacillate back and forth on what kind of stuff I do on the channel, but I hope you stick around for a while. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.